literally so important because it's just so small. Oh my god, it's upside down. Alright, so I have everything I needed. So I'll be doing Boracay in homage to where we're currently at right now. So first we need a base, and this is white rum. I probably wanted this glass because that is basically a long drink, and yeah, I'll be using this instead of the powdered ones because I just feel like using it because it's already like ready. And then, oh my god, here's a canned condensed milk, a bottle of water, just in case we need to neutralize the the alcohol or the flavor. Okay, so what we need to do first is to open this silver rum, and I'm just gonna need to put on like I don't know how many ounces. Like what we need to do is to add some condensed milk, and in this case, I'll be using the classic Milo, but it's on ready, ready to drink. Okay, so I'm gonna add. Oh no. Just pour everything from the pack. I will be adding a little bit of water. Like, oh my god. Just a little bit. Don't put too much because we will still be putting ice on it. So I have here a bucket of ice, and it was given by the very nice staff of the hotel. I forgot his name, Janet or something. But yeah, anyway, I'll be putting some of it here. I love 3 cubes because number 3 is my birthday. And for me, my birthday is a lucky number. Is your birthday's lucky number too? We just need to mix it with a straw, and like they're metal straw because it's so sturdy and it's environmental friendly. You don't need to throw it in the sea or something, and nobody can be hurt because there's no like disposable things that's needed to be thrown if we started using this. So I'll give it a good mix. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Mmm. This is so very classy. It has a kick, you know. Like just have the right mix of rum, the sweetness of the condensed milk, and also the ready to drink Milo in Tetra Pak. I think They're all good combinations. I love this. I love anything that's sweet and chocolatey. So let's move on from this. I'm gonna teach you another cocktail to make, which is also a rum based cocktail. So hold on. Alright, so the next thing that we'll need to make is daiquiri, and it's a very posh drink. I just had it in Epic, and yeah, it tastes so cool, but I wanted to have my own version because I'll be using a different juice for that. So normally they use is lime, but what I'm using now is a mango juice. So that's the secret. That's what makes it unique. So I'll be adding some decent amount of mango juice. It's actually a pre-made mango juice, so I just bought it at the store earlier, and I've never had this. I've had the orange ones, which I always use in making tequila sunrise, but I don't have a grenadine, so I'm not be making that. Again, just a decent amount, but if you wanted to get inebriated, you can just basically put on the half of it, like totally. We need to cut some lemon. Okay. And we'll get the pulp. This is a teacup, but supposedly we have to use a mortar and pestle, but we don't have that in here. And probably they have in the kitchen, but that's too much to ask for. So I'm just gonna put everything in here. Oh my god, I don't want to lose the juice. I'll be just using this teaspoon. So we'll just need to press the pulp. This is actually what they called muddling. Oh my god, I want you to see how I muddle this. Because if you muddle it, you're actually incorporating the pulp on the drink rather than just squeezing or juicing it. Because when you juice and squeeze it, it just separates the pulp. But you know, there's something special about the pulp. Like I love Tropicana Twister, and it has a pulp on it, and yeah, so that's why I love it. We will just need to add this juice and add the remaining on the other glass. Twister. We need to add water again, so don't overdo it, just put the right amount. Okay, so I guess everything else is ready. What we need to do is just to garnish it. So I have the lemon in here. Oh my god, I forgot how to cut it, but I guess we need to cut it in wedges. And how do you cut it in wedges? Like this? Oh my god, I don't want to ruin it. Oh no, it must be it must be perfect or something. Okay, this is not bad. And oh, I don't want to mess with it. I don't want to mess with that. I'll just need to remove some seeds out of the pulp. And then we just need to add some slit. There. And then to put this on our drink. Oh no, this is. I don't know if it's working. But yeah, I think that's cool. I don't know. It looks awful. But it's not bad. I want 3 ice cubes again. Oh no. Alright, that's enough. Mix it. Okay, so I'm pretty much so excited to taste this. Let's see if we've nailed it or something. I love it. The rum is the taste of the rum spirit. It's really not that strong, and also I love the mango flavor because it makes it very vibrant, and the flavor is just so wonderful. And the lemon that we've modeled, it added some citrus flavor in the drink. So overall, it's very refreshing. It's very good, especially in summer or when you're at the beach. So I guess I still have that skill for making cocktails. And join me later because I'm gonna hang out at a shore and I'll bring my drinks and I'm gonna have some fun watching the sunset. It's so hot in here. Sunset. Oh my god. Yeah, let's enjoy this fun day. I love the sunset so much. And oh my god. Much.